check out one of the lakes on North Stradbroke. It is called Brown Lake. It has a really cool history behind it, and we'll tell you more about it when we get there.
Here's your daily dose of kangaroos.
Brown Lake.
You will see it, you can see a bit.
Brown Lake on a brown sign.
I bet you guys would never guess that Bubba fell asleep on the car ride. Good thing Brown Lake is just steps away.
Ladies and gentlemen, Brown Lake.
It actually is really brown. It literally looks just like the St. John's. We're like, oh no, we got brown lakes at home too.
Yeah, we're used to this.
My mama said, no, do.
Yep, it says don't dive. What else? It
Don't
says
jump.
danger, deep water.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Brown Lake, if you're from Florida or Central Florida, Brown Lake looks like just any old lake back in Florida.
There was a lady who was just here when we were walking up. She said, wow, this lake is really brown. Like, we wouldn't even think that. We would have just been like, oh, it's a normal lake.
I'd say that's a clear lake.
Literally. We did bring a cup so that we can show you guys how brown it is, but I can already tell that you're going to be able to notice. But it's crystal clear.
That's freezing.
It is. Here, get us a cup of it.
Oh, buddy. I'll get it. That's nippy.
Definitely brown.
Wow. I think I might have to do a dip though.
Like a cold plunge?
I might have to do a cold plunge. I don't want to, but I want to.
Ooh, you should.
There's her tire tracks.
They're what?
Tire tracks.
Tiger tracks?
Yeah.
They look like tiger stripes.
Mm-hmm.
But I think a tiger track would look like more like a footprint.
Yeah, like this. Right there.
All right, so the history behind this lake is actually really cool. Back in the day, the indigenous people would only allow women in this lake. This is the lake that women would come to birth their babies. If anybody was sick in the family, they would come here and soak in this water, and they even bathed in it. This is so cool because they knew that the tea tree oil was something that was really good for women. Essentially, it helps with labor and pain and all kinds of different things. So Daddy's actually already thinking about taking a little cold plunge, and I'm thinking I might have to do that for the women. Enjoy it, because back in the day you would have gotten taken straight to jail for that. Do you feel healed?
My legs feel better.
Sissy, are you gonna get in it?
No.
Just your leggies? This tree's
I want to get in just because I know that heater in the car would feel so good afterwards. That's the only reason why I want to get in. Not they say it's good for you, but the only reason why I want to get in is because I know getting cold and getting warm, it's like one of my favorite feelings. Like when I surf in cold water, getting in that car on the way home, it just like a campfire in the car.
I think it would be nice for you, Daddy. Run, Ryan, fast! Fast, Ryan! Let's play truth or dare, Dad. Truth or dare.
There.
I dare you to swim all the way across the lake.
That ain't happening if it was.
It's a dare!
I'll take the L.
Come on.
Sorry, night time. Going swimming.
Run. Hey, Dada. I'll be the monster, and this will be Mama's face, and you chase.
You're chasing me?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, it's
Yikesy pikesy.
Hi!
He's got me.
I'm safe.
You can do anything you want.
Look at you.
Look what you can do.
Whoa. Keep shimmying.
That's it.
That's good right there. Good job, sis.
No, your turn.
They didn't even budge.
Daddy, yeah.
It looks like an elephant. Look at this natural staircase.
Hi, Bigfoot.
That girl got so scared.
She said, no, no.
I think I heard a Bigfoot noise.
I'm looking for the Bigfoot right now. I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh no. Oh no. Is that really what I suspect it is? It's a little foot. This is good content right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a how-to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
This is how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And first, you take a nice layer of peanut butter on your already cut, no crust bread.
No way.
Yes, and then you take your little knife and wipe it on the opposite side to get all the peanut butter off. So you can now successfully dip into jelly. It's raining on my forehead. Then you take the jelly.
The spreading of the jelly.
I'm so Bigfoot.
Yes.
You have to have equal amounts.
I'm talking like this because I'm Bigfoot.
Hey, Bigfoot. So today you can climb the trees.
Today I climb the trees.
Yep.
What about jump in the water?
No, it's too tall.
It is way too cold, but I'm still debating on it. Ooh, Bigfoot love peanut butter jelly sandwich. Mmm.
Watch, Bigfoot.
I'm glad you love it, Daddy. If we go right now, we can go down to that beach in front of the point and watch the sunset.
Sunset, huh? I don't think there's gonna be much of a sunset, babe.
It's literally raining.
Chick said sunset.
Watch, Dada.
Are we gonna get in? Let's do it.
Araya,
Let's do it,
I
Araya.
double dog dare you and Daddy to get in the water.
Come on, Ryan, me and you.
What?
I'm not doing that.
Why?
I'm not doing
Are you guys ready to ride? Go do something else?
Mm-hmm.
You do it.
I will, but we gotta have to leave if I do it.
Okay.
Just so you guys know, I'm cold right now.
It's probably.
I'm literally cold. Like, not have I got in the freezing cold water, and I'm cold.
It's probably 60 something, and that water's probably 60 something. If
Daddy's gonna get in the water. You think he should?
I don't know. I'm just gonna like get in and just dip in.
Yeah, go all the way under, head under.
I don't know about all that, but
That's what you have to do to get the full cleanse. I think it would be better for the video if you got all, like, just walked in.
I'm good. I don't care if there's nothing in that lake. I feel like there's dinosaurs in that lake if I walk in.
It does seem a little Loch Nessy. Just jump in. Just do a belly flop.
Do a belly flop, Dada. I know you're gonna do it. And there's a dinosaur. Just run away. No one does. Do that there, Dada.
That's my nature call.
Dad, Ben, Dad.
That was miserable.
Do that there.
Come with me.
Do that there. Do that to yourself.
Do that to yourself.
Do it again.
Do it to yourself, Dad. You're wild. That's
Just one
frozen.
more time. ready. I'm ready.
Which way's the lake? All right.
Ready? Go in, Dad.
All right.
Do that then, Dad.
All right, here we go. Cold plunge number 3.
I'm not doing that.
Your turn.
No.
Just grab her and throw her in.
Get over here. Here, get over here.
Yeah, right. He would never. All right, sand throwing contest. Araya Lynn Wickman, you're up first. Let's see how far you can throw it. Wow, that was really far. All right, Daddy Taylor Wickman, you're up next.
You ready? Boom.
Can you stand by?
Can you make hers a ball? I was about to say, I don't know how you're out here freezing cold and wet because I am freezing cold and
Can
dry.
you make mine?
I am.
Thanks.
All right.
What?
I have to pee.
All right, we're gonna gather some sticks, and when we get to the house, we can do a little campfire, maybe do some marshmallows. At our house, we got big logs. We don't have anything small, so this will help out. We're not gonna do nothing crazy. I tried to break this stick right here. It about broke my leg. Clayton said this stuff is strong. I'll break my leg doing that.
Oh my god, that's so crazy. Well, thanks for joining us, Bubba. Was that a good nap? Sissy tagged you, you're it. Hello, kangaroo.
Hello, mate.
Look at that tree.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.